Hello, my most amazing artist. How are you today? It's your art teacher, Miss Clark, and I hope you guys said that you're ready to create because today we're going to be creating a super cool and delicious looking cupcake inspired by the artist Wayne Thiebaud. Now, I'm going to start by showing you guys a little bit about his artwork and what he creates, and then I'm going to show you guys how to create your super cool cupcake today.
Wayne Thiebaud is an American painter who was born in Mesa, Arizona back in 1920. He's known for painting what is called a still life, or having objects on a table in front of you. He likes to paint edible treats and everyday objects, such as pies, ice creams, cakes, and cupcakes. We're going to be using him as our inspiration today.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to draw a super cute cupcake inspired by the artist Wayne Thiebaud. For this activity, you're going to need something to draw with, does not need to be a Sharpie, and something to draw on. The first thing we're going to do is start by drawing two bumpy lines. One goes right here, bumpy lines going this way, and some bumpy lines going this way. These are going to be the edge of our cupcake frosting, so it's going to show where our frosting is going up from our cupcake. Once you have those lines, I want you to go ahead and connect them with a curved line across the bottom. Just like that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the top and we're going to add a cherry. To draw a cherry, you're going to go ahead and draw this way, head back over this way, then connect it together. It's kind of like a circle, but I didn't make it perfect at the top because you want to see where the stem goes. Next, I'm going to add that stem by doing a curved line up, and I'm going to add a little bit of a dot at the end to show where the top of the stem is. The next thing I want to do for my cherry to make it look three-dimensional is I want to add a reflection of light, so a little spot where the light's hitting it, because I want it to be a super cute cherry. My next step to finish off the frosting is first to go ahead and bring the edges of the frosting all the way up to that cherry, because we want to make it look like it's overlapping, like the frosting goes behind the cherry as if it's on top. Then we're going to go to these little bumps that go in. See how there's these little bumps? And we're going to go ahead and draw some curved lines, just like this, to make our frosting look three-dimensional. Maybe bring this one a little further out. See how it looks like there's multiple layers of our frosting as if we twirled it all the way up, making like a cone shape? Awesome job. Now that we have the top of our cupcake done, we're going to go ahead and draw the bottom. So we want to draw the very bottom of our cupcake. To do that, we're going to start with two diagonal lines, just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and connect those diagonal lines. The next thing we're going to do, because we're drawing lots of different lines, we're going to add a zigzag line going across. Just like that, to show where the top of the little tin or the cupcake thing is going to be. Then I'm going to draw some more lines to add some texture to my little cupcake holder. Just like that. All right, now we got the bottom and we got the top. Last thing we need to do is go ahead and connect the cupcake itself together. So we're going to do that. We're going to draw some curved lines, just like that. Ta-da! Now you've created a super cute cupcake that you guys can color any way you want.